Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to show you how to install FreeBSD on proxmox and get a mouse and video card working. Okay, let's do this. First I will install FreeBSD. I'll just give it a name test. I use an image that I previously downloaded, the release 14.2 for AMD64. The operating system type should be other. Here I set a graphics card to a VMware compatible card and the machine to Q35. Now we're ready to start the machine. We go here. Let's go to the options and just make sure that the use tablet pointer is set to yes. We're going to need this afterwards. Click start and we install the operating system. Alright, so to boot up the system, we go here to the hardware, to the DVD, and we say do not use any media. And now we're ready to start the machine again. So now let's configure the machine. The first thing here is I'm going to have a look at dev input, and we have, as you can see, event 0, 1, 2, and 3. And this is the problem why the mouse is not going to work in Xorg. It's because we are missing the USB HID device. But before we configure that, let's install the best editor, which is Vim. So we added now the file bootloader.conf, and we need to add the following lines: hw usb USB HID dot enable equals 1 and UHID load equals no. Let's restart the system. And now let's look again at the devices, dev input, and we see that we have event 4, so a little bit more. Now let's install Xorg, XFC4. Let's install XF86 input evdev, XF86 video VMware, and I think XFC4 WM themes. Let's try it. Okay, and here I think it's not XFC4, it's just XFC. Let's try it again. So before we start X, let's say lib input list devices. And we see here that event 4 is the QEMU USB tablet. Looks good. Start XFC. And we have a graphical interface with mouse working. How cool is that? Let's go here to the display and increase the resolution. We can say, for example, this one here. Oops, that's probably a little bit too much. Let's try this other one. That looks a little bit better. And let's change the display, the window manager. Just for the fun of it, let's select the Redmond XP style. Wow, how cool is that? That's it for today. If you have some comments or suggestions, please use the space below. And if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for passing by. Have a great day and see you next time. Bye bye.